Okay, this video is about constructing a scatter plot using Excel, finding the equation of the line using Excel, and also finding the correlation coefficient R squared using Excel. So we have our data here. This is our countries, their annual incomes, and the amount of chocolate that they consume per person per year. Now I want this average income to be my x-axis and the chocolate to be my y-axis, so they need to be in the right order. Then I'm going to highlight the two bits of data and I'm going to go to insert and I want a scatter plot. So this one here is our scatter plot. Now I don't want a line on my data, I just want the scatter plot, so I'm just going to choose the first one because I want to put a trend line in later. So clicking on this one. Now the chart itself is a little bit small, so I'm going to make it a lot bigger. And what I want to do is I want to add in the axis title. So I go up here to add chart element. I want to put the horizontal axis in, go back again, and I want to put the y-axis in. So then I just click in here and I can just delete this. Now this was our chocolate consumed, and this axis title down here, so clicking in here and just deleting this one. This is our average income down here. Okay, so when you've got your data like this, you want to put a trend line in, all you need to do is click on one of the data points, right mouse click and put add trend line. Now this automatically puts in a linear one. You can change this. I'm looking for a linear relationship here, so I'm going to choose the linear one. Now at this point you also want to put in your equation to the line and your R squared value. So down here we're saying display equation on the line, clicking that one, and displaying R squared value on the chart also. And then when we close this, we can see them now. You can move them so that they're more visible if they're not particularly visible or a little bit squashed looking. And that's how you get your equation of the line and your R squared value. Now to get the Pearson's correlation coefficient, it is just R, so all you need to do is put into the calculator 0.4091 and find the square root of that to get the Pearson's correlation coefficient. And that's how you do the XY scatter plot with trend line and equation and R squared value. Thanks for watching.